So in today's video, I will guide you through on how to add cross mark in Adobe Acrobat. So it's quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So first thing is you have to go to the toolbar. So I am assuming that I'm actually hoping that you know where the toolbar is at Adobe Acrobat, because a little disclaimer. Unfortunately, you will not be able to see toolbar in this video, in this screen recording, because we had to go through some technical issue. So due to those issue, the toolbar might not be visible in this video, but I hope you know where the toolbar is. It's actually very easy to find out. So first thing first step is you have to go to the toolbar, and at the very somewhere at the middle you can see the icon with A, and that says fill in form fields. Simply tap into that icon and a drop down menu will appear, and at the very second option you can see the option of cross mark. Simply tap into that option, and now you can just decide wherever you want to put the cross mark in. So put your pointer over there. So let's say I want to put my cross mark over here. Simply tap in there, and there you go. That's the cross mark. Also, if you want to change the color of the cross mark, you can totally do that by going into the toolbar again, and you can see the circle icon that says choose a color for a cross mark. Simply tap into that icon, and there you can see variety of colors. So let's say I want to choose red, and pick it up again, and there you go. So this is basically how you put cross mark in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you for watching.